Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, The Crafty Closet. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use 3D puff heat transfer vinyl. So for this project, you're going to need a t-shirt. Preferably get a shirt that has like the leopard print style. If not, it's fine. You're going to need some of that puffy transfer vinyl. So I'm going to be using this brand. This is the Sun Chino 3D Puff Heat Transfer Vinyl. I've never used this brand before, so we're going to see how this works out. And also some glitter vinyl. Siser, y'all know this is my favorite brand. This is the Twinkle HTV. And of course, your heat press. Don't know how to use the 3D heat transfer vinyl? Well, neither do I. So we're going to try this out for the first time together, and let's see what happens. So, you know what you got to do. You got to stick around.
Okay, y'all, so let's get into this puff vinyl. The first thing you're going to need to do is, of course, open your design space, get your blank canvas, and now we're just going to get some wording together to put on our shirt. So I'm going to start with one of my favorite uh, fonts right now in design space, and that is BFC Indie. I really like it. It's a really cool, cute little retro looking font. So now, one thing about this font is it's very short, meaning the height. It's the letters are really short. So for this, because you're putting it on a shirt, you're going to have to make sure you make your lettering just a little bigger so that it looks good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ungroup this. I'm going to bring it down a little. So now my lettering is at about 2.5, which is good. 3 will probably be better, but this is just for the purpose of you guys seeing exactly how short this text really, excuse me, this font is when you first use it. So now let's get to the letters. So we're going to go with what I know every crafter has been seeing recently, this phrase. You've seen it a lot. So let's get to it. First word we're going to be doing is ma, and then we're going to bring mom down. And now we're going to do a line space here. We're going to bring this up so that it looks proportionate. And then once we do it, we'll continue with our words and it will all fit the same. So you're going to go to your line space, which is here. And you're going to do negative 4.2. Now, you see how I brought it up? Now, this is a good spacing for this design. So we're good to go. Next, we're just going to go and continue the rest of our letters. So as you can see, this is blinking. I'm just going to go enter. I'm going to do mama. And, oops, sorry, bruh. I've seen this so many times. It's a really cute little saying. If you have kids, you know, they're always calling you all the time. So here we are. This is it. This is what we're working with now. Let me just change my font because my font is purple. Y'all know I like a real representation of what I'm working on at the time. So now here we go. This is it, y'all. Mama, bruh. Okay, so now I'm just going to align this because I'm doing this to the left. You can leave it in the center if you like. And now it's all aligned to the left. Next, we're just going to add a nice little offset. That's what that silver Twinkle HTV is going to be for us. So now you want to offset that's a little chunky, and this is good because you want everything to touch. So what that means is, let me just move this over so y'all can see it, and then I'll do it again. Alright, so offset. You want everything to touch. Now this is not touching. These are touching. This is touching. None of this is touching. So I'm just going to make my offset a little chunkier. And I got it to 0.36. That's a little too chunky, so let's just bring it out just a little bit. Okay, that's good. Everything is touching. And I'm going to go ahead and click apply. There we go. This is going to be on our shirt. Now I'm going to change my offset to the silver. And now next, we're going to slice this. So you're going to highlight your entire text, hit slice, as this is a layered project, y'all. And now once we're done, we're going to take our, we don't need this, our slice part, so we'll delete that. Here we go. Here's our silver. Here is our purple puff. And now y'all know I gotta go on the shirt. So let's just move this over here. Bring up my templates. Go to t-shirt. Now because I have like that purple leopard style type of shirt, it wasn't easy to try and figure. Oh, what's wrong with me, y'all? Oh, okay, got it. And what's going on? Maybe I'm tripping. SHIRT. Okay, maybe I was. So it wasn't easy to try to figure out what it would actually look like. So the way I made up for that is I will just go ahead and change my shirt. Of course, it's women's. It's a large shirt. Women's short sleeve. It's a large shirt. And I tried to get it as close to what the actual colors are for it. And that is, it was like, it's like that light lavender. So this was good enough for me. And now I'm going to just take these boxes off. I'm going to pull this over here. Oh, look at that. Remember, y'all, to measure your shirt so you know exactly what you want on your length. Now this is 8 by 10. Of course, that's too high. So my shirts are usually 9 and some change by 8 and something. But here we go. This is good. 9 by 9. And that's it. This is all we're doing, y'all. Next, we're going to send this to the machine and cut it and weed it. Now, you're going to make sure you cut your vinyl, the puff, on the glitter setting. That needs to be the glitter heat transfer vinyl setting to cut through your puff vinyl, and also your silver HTV, that Twinkle HTV. You're going to cut them both on the glitter setting. So now we're done with this. As always, I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button and also the notification bell, so you too can be notified when I have new content dropping. Don't forget to mirror, y'all. Of course, this is too big. I'm just doing this so you guys to see, what we will be doing on. You're going to make sure you mirror. And then we are going to, of course, don't forget to set it on the glitter HCV to cut it. And stay tuned to the end to see exactly if this puff turned out to be a puffy mess or if it was worth it, or what I really came up with at the end. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you.